Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll walk you through how to start investing in the share market as a beginner. Investing might seem complicated at first, but with the right guidance and a few basic principles, anyone can begin their journey in the stock market confidently. Introduction to the share market. To start, let's break down what the share market actually is. Essentially, it's a marketplace where shares, or stocks, of companies are bought and sold. When you invest in a company's shares, you're purchasing a small ownership stake in that company. If the company grows and becomes profitable, the value of your shares can increase, potentially earning you a return on your investment. However, there are also risks involved, as share prices can fluctuate based on various factors. Setting your financial goals. Before you begin investing, it's crucial to set clear financial goals. Ask yourself questions like, why do I want to invest? How much do I want to invest? What are my short-term and long-term financial objectives? Having clear goals will help you determine your investment timeline and risk tolerance. Remember, investing is not about instant profit, it's a journey that requires patience and planning. Understanding different types of investments. The share market offers a variety of investment options. Here are some common types: stocks, individual shares of companies. Mutual funds, a pool of funds collected from many investors to invest in stocks, bonds, and other assets. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs similar to mutual funds but traded on stock exchanges like individual stocks. For beginners, mutual funds and ETFs can be a safer way to enter the market, as they spread risk by investing in multiple assets. Choosing the right broker. To buy and sell stocks, you'll need a brokerage account. Many brokers today offer online platforms where you can start investing with minimal fees. Look for a reliable and user-friendly platform with good customer support, easy-to-use tools, and educational resources. Some popular brokerage platforms also offer demo accounts where beginners can practice trading with virtual money. Developing a strategy. It's essential to have a well-thought-out investment strategy. Here are a few options: long-term investing, buying stocks with the intention to hold them for a long time, focusing on stable companies with growth potential. Value investing, looking for undervalued stocks that have the potential to grow. Growth investing, investing in companies that show signs of above-average growth, even if they may be more volatile. Choose a strategy that aligns with your financial goals, and remember that diversification, spreading your investments across different sectors, can help minimize risk. Managing risks and staying informed. Investing in the share market involves risk, and as a beginner, it's essential to manage those risks. Here are some tips: start small. Don't invest large amounts right away. Start with a small amount you can afford to lose. Educate yourself. Follow credible financial news sources and keep up to date on market trends. Avoid emotional decisions. Markets fluctuate, so try not to make impulsive decisions based on short-term changes. Final thoughts. Investing in the share market can be a powerful way to build wealth, but it requires knowledge, discipline, and patience. Begin your journey with a strong foundation, set realistic goals, and stay informed. Most importantly, never invest money that you can't afford to lose. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more beginner-friendly investing tips. Happy investing, and we'll see you in the next video.